Okay, so today we're going to have the derivative of e raised to u. U can be an equation, no? Parang let's say e raised to x, e raised to 2x, pwede yan. So that yun yung representation nun. Ano ba yung e? The number e, no, yung e, it's a constant yan, no? It is the natural number. Okay? Natural number. Or siya rin yung Euler's number. Okay? Mathematician yan si Euler. Hindi siya Euler, it's Euler. Euler ang pronunciation sa kanyang pangalan. So, equal yan sa 2.71828. Okay? Approximately. Okay? So, paano natin kukunin yung derivative ng gantong type na equation? For example, meron tayong f of x is equal to e raised to x. Okay? Kunin natin yung value ng first derivative. Ano kaya yung first derivative niya? So, the first derivative, ang sabi, eu du. Okay? E raised to u times derivative ng u. Okay? So, dito, ang u natin ay yung x. Ano yung derivative ng x? 1. Okay? So, kopyahin lang daw natin e raised to u. Kopyahin natin yung x times, ano yung derivative ng x? 1. Okay? So, dito, hindi nyo na kailangang isulat pa ulit yung 1. So, ang derivative natin, ang first derivative ng e raised to x ay e raised to x din. Okay? Ayan yung simpleng question. Let's try another one. Let's say y is equal to e raised to 2x. Okay? So, y prime is equal to, kopyahin lang natin, e raised to 2x, times derivative ng 2x. Ang derivative ng 2x ay 2. So, times 2, dito ko nilalagay sa simula. Okay? So, yun yung first derivative. Okay, another example. E raised to, let's say, x square. Okay? So, y prime is equal to, kopyahin lang natin, e raised to u. Ito yung e raised to u. Ang u natin ay x square. Ano yung derivative ng x square? Okay? 2x. Okay, rearrange natin. So, 2x e raised to x square. Okay? Very simple. Now, hirapan natin ng konti. Let's say e raised to the square root of x plus cube root of x square. Okay? So, paano natin isa-solve yan? So, kung ito yung u, hanapin na natin yung du. Okay? Ano yung du? So, derivative ng x ng square root of x ay 1 over 2 square root of x. Okay? Plus, ano yung derivative ng cube root of x square? So, saan equal ang cube root of x square? So, equal siya sa x raised to 2/3. Okay? So, ano yung derivative ng 2/3? Ang derivative niyan, baba natin yung exponent, 2/3 times x. Minus 1 tayo sa exponent. Okay, minus 1 para mas madali, minus 3 over 3. So, negative 1 over 3. Okay, gawin natin siyang positive. So, 2 divided by 3. Ito naman, yung magiging positive na siya, magiging x raised to 1/3. So, equal yun sa cube root of x. Okay? So, ganyan yan. So, yung du natin na equal siya sa 2/3, no? Over, 2/3, 2 over 3 times cube root of x. Okay? So, ayan yung du natin. So, burahin ko lang to. Okay? So, ang y prime natin ay e raised to u, kopyahin natin, square root of x plus cube root of x square times du. Times du. Ito yung du natin, 1 over 2 square root of x plus 2 over 3 cube root of x. Okay? So, ayan yan. So, we can simplify that. Algebra lang tayo. Okay? So, that's how you get the derivative of e raised to u. Okay?